Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make responses longer in ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app. Now, in a new chat, type anything you want. For example, I will type YouTube. Wait for the response to be generated. After getting the response, type "make it lengthy." Send the message. ChatGPT will now generate a more detailed and longer response. Now, you have successfully made the response longer in ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.